Well, seems like it has turned cold again. And today I'm going to share my mom's recipe with you. She's making keema, and let's see how she makes it. Let's go. क्या कर रही हैं आप?
कीमा फ्राई कर
जब थोड़ा सा onion brown हो. Okay. So when the onions turned a bit golden brown, she added the mince and she's frying both of them together. क्या डाल रही हैं बताएं?
सब्ज़ मिर्च कटी टमाटर और अदरक
आप डालें मैं साथ में. So she's adding tomatoes, green chilies and ginger. She added some ginger garlic paste, but she's also adding some ginger cut in small pieces.
अभी ना मैं कीमा भून रही हूँ, तो ये आपको जो नज़र आ रहा है टमाटर और ये इनको खड़ा ही रहने देना सबको. अच्छा, खड़ा मसाला होता है इसमें. अभी इसको भून लेंगे अच्छी तरह, फिर इसमें प्याज डाल के भूनूंगी. वो भी ज़रा नरम से और फ्राई से हो जाते हैं. बस फिर सब्ज़ धनिया और सब्ज़ मिर्च डाल के उतार लेना, ख़त्म.
So she's going to fry everything together, and she's saying that don't try to mash the vegetables you can see in the mince. Because that's how the dish is supposed to be. अब क्या करना है
बेटा, मैं इसको दम पे रखती हूँ 5 मिनट.
Okay, so that goes on simmer cook. That's all for now, guys. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try and will leave feedback. A great Sehri recipe. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Please stay safe, stay home, and take good care of yourself and of your loved ones. We'll be back again with more of the Ramadan recipes. In the meantime, keep liking, keep sharing and commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. Happy Ramadan to you all. Bye.